Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and Renae, my lovely wife and office manager. Yeah, well, see? Okay. We just wanted to say thank you for subscribing. You know, we're reaching some benchmarks on both of our channels. We're about to hit 50,000 on our old channel and 30,000 on our new channel. So I would like for you to tell all your friends to subscribe and please watch our videos, like them, and share them on social media sites so that other people will subscribe to our channel. We really thank you for getting the message out about chiropractic, and we do all treatment videos here. There's no testimonials except for what you hear at the end of the treatment, what patients tell you, and those are all non-scripted. So we're going to adjust Renae tonight. And she's a walking testimonial. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards for me. And then neutral. See, I don't need a piece of paper and pencil with her. She's ingrained in my mind. Okay, so let's come over here. Renae's getting like 70 emails a day. So please be patient with her on getting back to you if you're filling out a request form to come in for an appointment. She's working as fast as she can possibly work.
I'm still catching up from the days we were out.
We were out all last week up in Austin at the Texas Chiropractic Legislative Conference. Okay. There we go. Been doing these smooth all day. Just like that. That was good, huh? Did you feel that all the way down?
Yeah, mostly my mid.
And we're going to do something a little different today. Just mix it up for you a little bit. Show you that I can do different techniques.
So what am I doing?
Well, I'm going to have you sit in this chair.
Okay.
Right here. This is a Gonstead cervical chair adjustment. Slide down a little bit more. So I'm palpating her cervical spine. She's got C5, C6 out there on the right. C4 is also on the right. So I'm contacting the lamina right here. Let's just let it go. And adjusting straight P to A. And then down here, we're going to get a little bit lower. Look at that, already went. Good job. Okay, now let's have you sit over here on this table again.
How?
Sit with your legs this way, back that way.
With my legs this
Sit right
way?
here, legs that way. This is commonly known as what's called an anterior adjustment. It's not really anteriors. I'm adjusting the rib heads here where they attach to the thoracic spine vertebrae. There we go. Yep, now let your head back. Look at that.
Okay.
Perfect.
I haven't had that one in a long time.
Yep, now I'm going to have you turn your right side. And yes, I do know how to do side posture adjusting as well. I don't do this very often because if you keep doing this down on the SI joints here, you'll get ligamentous instability. So I do more of a P to A. There we go. Good. Okay. Now let's come over this way. Now on this one, I'm actually going to contact her SI joint. Here, let it go. There it is, right there. Good. Okay, let's turn you on your back.
Stay this way?
Yep. I'm still gonna pull your leg. Can't get out of here without me pulling your leg. There we go. Same thing here. There we go. Good job. And take a deep breath in.
Oh. Yeah.
Exhale. Keep exhaling. Renae gets a little nervous, so her stomach gets tied up in knots since she didn't get all her work done. Although she works all the time she's in here. So if you are trying to schedule an appointment here online, just please be aware that we have like 70 a day requests coming in, so we will get to you. It just may take a little while. And we're booked out how many weeks already?
3.
3 weeks out, so she's trying to get everybody in as soon as possible. Let's face that way and let me do your shoulders. They love your shoulders. Here, you sit over here in the middle. Okay. Renae works on the computer all day, so her shoulder falls out about an inch. There you go. Perfect. Renae's y'all's crack queen. See there? Let me yell over.
There's only one of her.
That's true. Wanted to adjust her on Valentine's. She had her pretty red scrubs on and everything, but we were so busy we didn't get a chance. There we go. Okay, so come here in front of the mirror.
Yeah, stuff all over me.
So as you can see, I do know how to do different techniques and not just the same thing every time. I do the most effective thing on people. That's why I do the techniques that I do, because they work. Yep. Let's pull these up and back. We're going to bring your head straight back and a little bit left, and now look up. Tap there. There.
Ow.
Okay, now relax. Try that again. This should feel smoother though.
Yeah, it does.
You're right down the middle now. Very good. So again, we want to thank you for telling all of your friends and family members and co-workers and everybody you know to subscribe to Advanced Chiropractic Relief, LLC. Both channels. We've got 2 channels, and we're posting videos on both of them. So we're trying to reach our goals, and we want to thank you for helping us reach our goals of 100,000 subscribers within this year. Thank you very much. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson and Renae, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.
Thank you.